In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. If you are using Samsung keyboard, you need to launch it first and then click on gear icon at the top of it. Following that, select theme section over here and apply a perfect one by clicking on one of those. If you wish to try something more interesting, you can always switch your Samsung keyboard to GBoard. In order to do that, go into Play Store, type in GBoard and download this free app from Google Developer. GBoard, the Google keyboard. When it's ready, launch it. Then to set it up, tap on Enable in Settings. Select this switcher next to GBoard and hit OK in Attention pop-up. Sorry, misclick. Then go back, click on Select Input Method and tap on GBoard. Then select Done. As you can see, after that, GBoard was successfully applied. Now, to change theme of it, you can always open GBoard app, click on Theme section, and pick one of those by clicking on a perfect one. I will go with this one. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And to save your new theme, hit Apply at the bottom right corner. Then go back. If you wish to customize it instead, access GBoard again. And this time, after selecting theme, click on this plus icon under My Themes. Then tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and when you finish, select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!